We're back, loading the Evo up and take it to the shop, right, Brian? So this is the famous banana Evo coming out soon. This is a small little preview. It's super cold over here. Alright, well, shout out to Gio and Izzy for coming and helping us put the Evo on the trailer. We're getting ready to take it to the shop and start the new engine build. Hello guys, we're back. We just came to pick up the AMS intake. We forgot it at the house, and we forgot the rods. We're about to start the new engine build. You know, going for 1,000 horsepower, it's a bit risky, so we're just gonna refresh the motor, the new rods, pistons. I'm gonna send the block to get O-ring and see how it goes from there. And stock Evo pistons and rods. Those are so old. Just new stuff here, new parts. We're just gonna use them to finish the project. But yeah, stay tuned. Ready, Brian?
Ready.
Let's go. Ooh, it got dark already. We're back at the shop. We just got here not too long ago. We're waiting on some of the friends that can come help us. But we're gonna start working on the Evo, and we're gonna rip it all apart hopefully by today. And by tomorrow, have it taken to the machine shop to get some machine work done to the block. And we'll see. We'll go from there. But here's the Kirky seat. Right here, going full drag. Really looking forward for this 2018 car session, you know, car scene. 2,200cc with the AMS fuel rail, the AMS intake. Alright guys, well, I'll see you guys in a bit. We're gonna start working on the car, and I'm gonna record everything.
out this first? You want to take out the O2 out so we can chop it off and do it the other way?
Nah.
I mean, yeah, take this out first.
No, this one's good.
Oh, you let's go.
Hey guys, we're back over here. We're still working the Evo. It's been about 2 hours since we started, a little bit less. Brian, can you tell them what we're doing today?
We're gonna pretty much just build a motor, get an O-ring, and I mean put a little bit a few other stuff with it.
By the way, this is Brian. This is my cousin. This is the owner of the Evo, and these are our friends Gio and Junie. They've been helping us so far with the car, even though they got here a little bit late. But yeah, this is the progress on it. And oh,
I did it snap.
but yeah, the goal for today is to at least bring the motor down and
We can
clean it. And probably start the build right away. We just gotta take the block to the machine shop tomorrow or the day after that. But stay tuned. We're gonna still record, and hopefully we pull the motor in a little bit. All right, see you guys in a few.
It doesn't take just anything to bring out the extreme. We leave to keep score. For us it's run and go. For us it's all we know. It's run and go. We think ahead and force out. We run and go. For us it's in our bones. It's run and go. We leave to keep score. For us it's run and go. For us it's all we know. It's run and go.
Hey guys, we're back. As you can tell, the motor's down. Everything has been down thanks to the help of Gio, Junie, Izzy over here. Today's his birthday actually, so happy birthday, Izzy.
He said fuck work and he's still here with us.
Yeah, he actually skipped work to come chill with us, even though it was his birthday too. So
I had to do it.
he had to do it. He had to do it. Hey, Brian.
What up?
So yeah, there's the process. We're gonna put it on the motor jack. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna check the pistons, the rods. We're gonna get them out, and we're gonna put the brand new one. So stay tuned. All right, this is probably what we're gonna do for tonight, and probably stop here, and then tomorrow we'll continue doing it. All right, take it easy, guys. See you soon.
¿Qué será? No, él quiere tequila.